Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Oma and thank you so much for joining me today. And this is one of the videos I promised today. I'm going to be showing you some of my real life content, and if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I'm going to be doing this, yep, a review. Yay! I got this sent to me from Zuto Hair. Zuto Hair is a hair company based in Lagos, Nigeria. They deal with hair extensions, braided wigs, crochet braids, goddess locks, and hair accessories. They sent this to me, and if only I could show you the excitement and joy I felt when I first got this. Zuto Hair delivers all over the world, America, Europe, Asia, wherever you are, they get this delivered to you. This is the Stella Wig. It has a lace. It comes with, or two combs rather, in the front, one on each side, then one at the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps. This is the hair. This is the finished product of the Stella Wig. It's so beautiful, I love it, and this is in the color 1B30. So thank you so much, and I really hope you join me again soon. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Check out Zuto Hair on Instagram as well. I'm gonna leave their links down below and whatever care instructions you need to know about this hair. Thank you so much, Zuto Hair. So let's put on this wig and see what's up. Okay, so it's a mix of blonde and the black or brown. What do I call this color? Okay.
What can I do to